A very good morning, little kids. How are you all? I hope you all are good and safe at your home. Students, we have already done pronouns. Yes? But today again I will continue with the same concept, with the same topic, that is pronouns. What are pronouns? Listen carefully. The words that are used in place of nouns. Nouns means naming words. Okay? The words that are used in place of naming words or nouns are called pronouns. Okay, student? We have done singular pronouns. What is singular pronoun? Singular pronoun is used to refer to one person, place, animal and thing. Okay? Singular pronoun is used to refer to one person, place, animal and thing. See, I, you, he, she, it. These are singular pronouns. These are singular pronouns. Okay? And today we will learn about plural pronouns. Listen. Plural pronouns is used to refer to more than one. More than one means 2, 3, 4. Okay? Like this. Plural pronoun is used to refer to more than one person, place, animal and thing. Okay, student? Plural pronouns are we, you, they. These are plural pronouns. These are plural pronouns. We, you, they. These are singular pronouns. I, you, he, she, it. And these are we, you, they. These are plural pronouns. But student, you will be used. Listen. See. You will be used as a both a singular pronoun as well as plural pronoun. We can use you in both. See here. You is in singular pronoun and you again in plural pronoun. So, you will be used as a singular pronoun and a plural pronoun. Okay? Now, see. Firstly, I will tell you about we. We. Student, we is used when you are talking about yourself along with others. When we are talking about ourselves along with others, that time we use we. जब हम अपने बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, दूसरों के साथ अपने बारे में भी बात कर रहे हैं, that time we use we. Okay? Listen again. We is used when you are talking about yourself along with others. You are talking about yourself along with others. That time we use we. That time you use we. Okay? We are studying. See. We are studying here. This boy is saying we are studying. It means these two girls and this one boy. He's saying we are studying. He's talking about himself also. Okay? Now, you. You is used for one or more naming words of persons. Okay? Again, you is used for one or more naming words of person. I told you, no? We can use you in singular pronoun as well as in plural pronoun. Okay? So, you is used for one or more naming words of persons. Okay? Now, see, they. They is used when you are talking about other people, animal or things. Okay? They is used when you are talking about other people, animal or things. Like, see, they are playing football. They are playing football. See, here more than one, no? 1, 2, 3. So, if we are talking about other people, animal or things, we will use they. Okay? Now see here, they are my neighbors. We are talking about person or people. They are my neighbors. Okay, now see here, we will use they for animals also. They are pet animals. Okay, they we will use for animals also, and they we will use for things also. They are my toys. These are things, toys are things. So they we will use for person, animals and things. Okay, fine. Now open your book. Now it will be more clear for you. Okay, now we will start our chapter, that is chapter 6, we, you, they. Firstly, write today's date, day and grade class on the top. Fine. I told you what is pronouns, what are plural pronoun. Now when a pronoun when a pronoun 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 is used to refer to more than one person, person, place, place, animal, animal or thing. When a pronoun is used to refer to more than one person, place, animal or thing is called a plural pronoun. Okay, we, listen carefully again, we, you and they are plural pronouns. We, you and they, these three are plural pronouns. Okay, now we usually use we and you to refer to people. We and you, see, we use these two pronouns for people. We and you to refer to people. Okay, we are playing in the park, we are watching TV, you all live in indoor, Geeta and Ali, both of you are in a team A. It means we and you to refer to people only. Okay, now we use they. Now we are talking about they. We use they to refer to people, animals and things. We use they to refer to people, animals and things. For these three, like for people, for animals, for things, we use they. Okay, like they are going fishing, they are my pets. I told you na, we use they for people, animals and things. Come and smell these flowers, they smell really nice. Okay, now we will do exercise of this chapter. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the correct 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 pronouns, PRONOUNS pronouns from the brackets. We have to choose the correct pronoun from the bracket. Okay, see, my sister and I told you when I is also include, then we use we. Okay, when we are talking about myself, then we will use we. My sister and I love reading. Okay, so we or you, we will use we because I is also there. So we are reading a story book now. Wait, my sister, my SISTE, a sister, and I love reading. We use we here. Why? Because I is also include. We are reading a storybook now. Okay, now See the second. Dipanshu and Varun are brothers. Dipanshu and Varun are brothers. They, They, they are twins. We are talking about two persons like Dipanshu and Varun. We are talking about Dipanshu and Varun, so we will use they here. Okay. When we are talking about we are talking about any person, that time we use they. Okay. Now, bears and panthers. I told you, for people, for animals. Now bears and panthers are animals. Okay. Bears and panthers live in the jungle. They are wild animals. For animals also we use they. Okay. They are wild animals. Now come on the next. See, fourth. Kirti and I. Again I is here. So we will use we. Kirti and I love playing board games. Because I is there, so we will use here we. We will use here we. We will write here we. Okay. Kirti and I love playing board games. We are playing snakes and ladders now. Okay. Now, Reena and Kusum, come and have lunch. Now we are talking to Reena and Kusum. So this time we will use you, because this time we are talking to them. We are talking to Reena and Kusum. Reena and Kusum, come and have lunch. You both must be hungry. Okay. Because this time we are talking to them. We are talking to Reena and Kusum. That's why we use you here. Okay. Now, Sabah, Riya and Lisa go to school by car. We are talking about Sabah, Riya and Lisa. Sabah, Riya and Lisa go to school by car. So here they or you, what we will use? We will use they, because here we are talking about these three. Okay. Sabah, Riya and Lisa, we are talking about them. So we will use they. They are classmates. Okay. Now, Tanya, Tanya, Tanya and Rahul stop watching TV. Tanya and Rahul. See, Tanya and Rahul stop watching TV. Mama is saying, Tanya and Rahul stop watching TV. Both of you, Mama is talking to Tanya and Rahul. Okay, Mama is talking to them now. So we will use you here. Tanya and Rahul stop watching TV. Both of you need to do your homework. We will not use here we. Why? Because I is not here. Okay. Next, Sohail and I reached school early yesterday. Sohail and I. Again I is there. Sohail and I reached school early yesterday. Because I is there, so we will use, because I is there, so we will use we. We revised our English homework. Okay. I hope now it's clear for you. Now exercise B. Fill in the blanks with we, you or they. Okay. Now listen first. Mohan and his father are packing a 10. Mohan and his father. We are talking about Mohan and his father. So we will use here they. They are going camping. Okay. Now again, second. There is a playground near our house. There is a playground near our house. Our means हमारा, हमारे घर में. It means मेरे घर के पास. Okay. Our means हमारा. Me, my mama, my father. Okay. It means I is also included here. There is a playground near our house. We go there to play every evening. We go there to play every evening. Okay, student? Now third, Gopal and Anu wanted to watch a cartoon show. Gopal and Anu wanted to watch a cartoon show. Their mother said, both of you need to finish your lunch first. Their mother, Gopal and Anu's mother, said to them. Their mother, Gopal and Anu's mother said to them, both of you, because mother is talking to Gopal and Anu. So both of you will come here. You will come here, okay? Both of you need to finish your lunch first, okay? Now rest, you will do yourself. Try to solve, try to write these, okay? Now come on the next page. C. Exercise C. Circle the error in the sentences. Then write the correct pronouns in the blanks. Listen now. First, what happened, Beena and Anuj? What happened, Beena and Anuj? Why are we both crying? See, we. This girl is talking to them. Okay, wait. This girl is talking to them now. She is Beena and he is Anuj. What happened, Beena and Anuj? She is asking, what happened, Beena and Anuj? Why are we both crying? We will come here? No, because I is not there. I am not here. Okay. So, why are you, she is saying, why are you both crying? Okay. Now next, Ali and Wasim are classmates. We are in class 1. Again we will come? No. So, we are talking about Ali and Wasim. So, they will come. This is wrong. We will not come. Okay. Now third, Riya and I are dancing. Riya and I are dancing. I is here. So, we will use we here. We will write we here. So, this is wrong. They are having fun. This is wrong. We will use we here. Okay. Now again fourth. Swati and Asha. Why are both of they screaming? Swati and Asha. Why are both of they? They is wrong because here someone is talking to Swati and Asha. Okay. So, you will come. Swati and Asha, why are both of you screaming? Stop it. Okay. Now, Sam, wait. Sam and I are studying. Sam and I are studying. So, I is there. So, we will write here we. Okay. You is wrong here. We have an exam. Wait. Sam and I are studying. We have an exam tomorrow. You is wrong. We will write we here. Okay. And the last. Sunita and Suraj, can we help me? No, we will not come. You will come. Okay, Sunita and Suraj, can you help me? So you will come. Okay, student. Now it's clear. Is it clear now? Okay, now this last exercise you will do yourself. This is your homework. Do it yourself. Wait. This is your home task. Okay. Try to solve this. This is for today. Bye bye everyone.